So the way you attach your phone to Insta360 is by using the given magnetic clamp. All you have to do is put it across like this, and especially with the camera facing up, use the red dot provided in here for alignment, and that's it. There it's actually on. And if you have connected using NFC and Bluetooth, it will also prompt you to go ahead and open the Insta360 app. It's a small and portable design, so you can always switch it off, remove the phone, turn it across, hook it, and that's it. And you can actually put this in your pocket.